Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Indihar Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to our weekly update. Fall is on us, and I've got a little black suit here, so I'm getting the change in the weather. Let's talk today a little deeper about what's going on with open house activity. I'll share with you, I actually had 3 homes open in Milpitas over the weekend. We'll talk about that. Look at what the California Association of Realtors has to say about the state of the economy and how real estate will fare now and in the future. We'll look at the average home price in Milpitas, and then I'll share with you some insights as to some questions that potential sellers that I meet ask on how what I do for their prospective properties. First of all, open house activity. I had 2235 Skyline Drive in Milpitas open up. That was 2698888. We had about 12 groups through, and that was the 4th weekend. So that's pretty amazing. We're looking at another price reduction on that property, and that will be open again this weekend until we get that sold. Then 1051 Crescent Terrace, in Milpitas. That price point was $2,798,888. We went through a 3rd weekend. That had about 9 groups through on that one, a little less than the Skyline. We're dropping that today by $200,000. So the new price on that is $2,598,888. Should be good, should be right in the strike zone, and be showing that open this weekend also. And then 210 Butler Street in Milpitas. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1460 square feet. Very nicely updated in terms of the beautiful hardwood floors, fresh paint in and out. They even have an epoxy garage floor. So it's quite a nice property in the Manor area. And that price point is $1,568,888. We had 16 groups through that property. So you can see that that is kind of the sweet spot of where the marketing is, right around that. And that lends me to tell you what the average home price in Milpitas is for the month of August. It was $1,685,000. And an average price for a condo is $1,065,000. So holding, maybe going up just a tad. And the California Association of Realtors is predicting same or better housing market for next year. So that's kind of encouraging. I'm already talking to potential sellers. We're looking at the spring of next year. So hopefully the market is going to do good, and they will be able to do well. So what's going on with the sellers' minds, and what are they thinking about when they talk to me and want to know what I might want to do for their home? The first question is, what can I do to prepare my home for sale? Well, preparing your home for sale is crucial in attracting potential buyers and maximizing its value. I can provide you with valuable tips and insights on decluttering, depersonalizing, making minor repairs. I do have a crew that helps with that, improvements, and I have a wonderful stager, probably the best in the business, that makes the home appealing and inviting. And what will you do to market my home to potential buyers? Well, marketing your home effectively is my top priority. I use a multifaceted marketing approach, including professional photography. Please visit my website and you'll see how I present the homes. High-quality virtual tours, online listings, social media promotions, open houses, and target marketing. My MLS onput goes out to Redfin, Zillow, and all those other internet sites, and that's what drives a lot of the traffic through the open houses. I ensure that your property gains maximum exposure in the market so you can obviously get your maximum price. And what is your approach to negotiating offers? Well, negotiating offers is a critical aspect of the selling process, and my approach focuses on achieving your best interests. With years of experience, I employ a strategic and collaborative negotiating style to secure the best possible terms and price for your property. My goal is to ensure a successful transaction that meets your expectations, and I have a wonderful transaction coordinator on staff, and she does the DocuSign and all the contracts and everything to keep it in sync with what the laws are with the California Association of Realtors. So With that said, if you want to, we can talk about your home. I'd love to come see it. Let's talk about what we need to do, get it ready, get a punch list ready. It's never too soon to get prepared for any market, whether you want to still hit the market before the end of this year or get a little leg up and get ready for the spring of next year. Give me a call, 408-945-8988. I look forward to talking to you, working with you, and it is an amazing market. See you then. Bye-bye.